Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 6.7 liter PowerScope Turbodiesel engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We do get chrome accents all along this vehicle with mud flaps on the rear and front, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera. We do get a nice 8-foot box on this vehicle with tailgate step and a bed liner. We do get gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad with window deflectors, trailer tow mirrors that are blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and moving to the front, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system with cup holders, 12-volt rear vents, 2 USB and USB-C, 110 volt, and of course you get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You even get power folding mirrors. Spotlights, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 111,817 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with the volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can go through. Display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, settings. We got our drive modes in here by just pressing that button there, where we get normal, tow and haul, eco, slippery, and deep sand and snow. We got our speeds as well. Tons of storage to my right here. You even get more storage underneath and more cup holders if need be. More storage here with some outlets. It does close. Center console with tons of storage underneath. Pretty handy. With trailer brake. You even get rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive with climate controls right here. Heated front seats. 12 volt, 110 volt, and storage above, below. Taking a look at that. And on the dash, we got 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for engine brake, hazards, traction, and hill descent, navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls right here, navigation. Any apps you may download will show up in here as well. Settings such as Bluetooth, navigation, Ford Pass, vehicle maintenance, Wi-Fi, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE27592A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.